Hello viewers, so hope all of you are well. In this video I will show you how to download and install Avision FB10 scanner driver. For that we will go to a browser and write the link I will put in description box. You will search and click the link. After doing that I will go to download and scroll down. This one is Avision. This is the main software and this one is FB scanner. So we will download both and I will go to the folder and right click for extract. And again need to extract and install the software. Double click, next, next, next and next. Installation complete. And another is double click and here you see more info. You just click more info and run anyway. Install it. Okay, installation complete. Here you see the shortcut icon and click here and we will select it and yes. Okay, this icon is now green and it will work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like, comment, share be must.